Okay guys, we are here today and we are converting this natural gas tankless water heater unit into a propane tankless water heater unit. So we're gonna remove this hose right here, and within the water heater you will find something that it calls propane gas and high altitude conversion kit. This you will find it inside the unit. Okay, so let's do it. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove these screws right here and also these 4 screws right here. Okay, all screws are being removed, so carefully we're gonna remove this part right here. As you can see, that part right there is different from this other one. This is the conversion kit. Okay, and we're gonna start pulling that out carefully. As you can see, the converter is being removed from natural gas, and here they are. It will read LP for propane and NG for natural gas. So because we're doing the conversion, we're gonna use the one from the left. Okay, we have installed successfully our converter, the O-ring, and it's time to put the pipe back in place. Right there and right there. Okay, we install the pipe back in place successfully, and now it's time to do the next step, which is to go into the dip switch and do the transition from natural gas to LP gas. So to continue to set up from propane to LP, from natural gas to LP, that's what we are going to. We are going to right here, right next to the main control. It's going to be on the left, and we gotta set up the first dip switch, this one, to the on position. Okay, and that's it. It's on the on position, and after we install it and do all the plumbing, we're gonna continue with the process.